Every year, lakhs of e-commerce sellers lose up to 2.5% of their GMV to rejected claims. And with marketplaces now mandating video proof of packing, the cost of not having it is only going to get higher. Meet UniCapture, the video management solution built right inside your UniCommerce packing screen that automatically records and links proof to every shipment. Your packer simply scans an order and recording starts automatically. Order ID or any unique identifier is stamped on the video and proof is captured. The order is delivered, backed by verified proof. And when the order comes back, just scan the QR code, record the unboxing, and mark inventory as good or bad with a single click. Quality checked and evidence secured. UniCapture fits seamlessly into your existing setup. It works with both IP and web-based cameras. Every recording is automatically saved to the cloud and accessible at a click. And with direct integrations with Flipkart and Myntra VMS, your proof will reach marketplaces automatically. The result? Faster claim resolution, zero revenue leakage, complete visibility across every order leaving your warehouse. UniCapture, proof that protects your revenue. Get UniCapture today.